Hey guys, it's Nikki, and welcome to this week's Erin Condren Plan With Me. This is my vertical, obviously, and I am going to be using this kit from Chels. I really enjoy her kits. This is the second one that I have used. They come with a sheet of, well, they come with a couple of sheets of like clear foil. So the sheet that I've got here is all of the overlays. So you have your bottom washi and then your date covers, but then you actually get overlays for both, which I think is a really cool idea. So while I'm filming this, it is currently Monday morning. It is about 7:30 a.m. So if I'm super rambly or off, that's what's going on. I filmed half of this video last night, and then I had to continue filming it this morning. So the lighting is going to change here in just a little bit. But my camera battery kept dying, so you're going to see some random jump cuts, and that's where the battery kept dying. I filmed a Hobo Weeks Plan With Me before this one, and that just kind of drained the battery. So anyway, I am doing all of my date covers. I really like how she has the words as like a separate foil that you overlay on top of these. You could pick however you want your colors to be done that way. I just think it's a really cool idea. Or if you didn't want to use them this way, you could use them for other things, which is actually what I've done with a different one of her foil sheets. But I really enjoyed using this kit, and I'm also going to be using some items from SamanthaMaeSticks, some scripts. You guys will see those in just a second. And then I think those are the only two shops that I used this week other than some stuff from my shop. But if I see something else, I'll let you guys know. So I want to go ahead and work on my sidebar. I'm going to go ahead and do a glitter header as well as a full box. And then this particular kit had a sheet of extra boxes of girls, so I ended up putting one of those down at the bottom. I did two daily trackers this week. One for taking Oz to the LAKE, sorry, he's sitting next to me. And then one for running. So I've started running again, which means I'm doing about 6 miles a day, which is a bit, kind of a lot, but I'm hoping to get to where I can actually do more like 10 a day, which sounds insane, but yeah, that's it's kind of just something that I decided instead of doing keto or something like that, I just wanted to go ahead and start running again. It's something that I used to do, something that I like doing, and I feel like it helps deal with a lot of stress. I am still doing yoga as well, but I felt like I needed something more than just that, unless I was doing like really intense yoga, which I do sometimes, but I feel like it causes me so much pain. Anyway, you guys will see a little bit about that in this week's vlog. I am going to go ahead and get this video up before the vlog, so the vlog will be going up on Tuesday this week, and then I will have this, obviously you guys are watching right now, going up on Monday. So I wanted to go ahead and do some little things down at the bottom. So she has these really cute work labels. I ended up putting those all the way at the very bottom of my week. And then I did dinner little things because with this whole running thing, I am going to be trying to eat better. I'm going to go to like a clean diet, which is what I've done before. Anyway, you guys don't care what I'm eating. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I wanted to keep track of it. So I'm also going to be purchasing some new inserts for my personal wide rings because I want to really keep track of how far I'm running, what I'm eating, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to do like a setup in that because I need new inserts for pretty much everything. I'll probably just add it to next week's vlog. But if you guys have any recommendations for inserts, let me know down below. I'm not going to be using the normal Jasenia ones that I have been using. I will for certain weeks, but she doesn't have exactly what I want for daily or anything for like workouts. So if you guys have a recommendation, let me know down below. I do have a couple that I've been looking at that I'm probably going to purchase, but I would like to try out a few different ones to see which one works best for me. So I went ahead and did, oh, I'm sorry, my head's in the frame. I went ahead and did glitter headers, all the overlays for those, and then the full boxes and the overlays for those. I like to go ahead and get that part laid out so that I know exactly how much room I have and that everything lines up. So for Monday, I went ahead and did a box and wrote in Erin Condren launch, which is today. So if you are an Erin Condren insider, they do send out an email at some point today where you can purchase the life planner a little bit earlier. It's not a specific email to anything. There is no specific code. It is literally just a link. So if that's something you wanted to do, just keep an eye out in planner groups. I'll post it in my group whenever I get it. And you can still go in and purchase it early unless they've changed something. But for the past like year or so, they've not changed that. You could still buy it. So I'm going to be picking up I'm so sorry my face is in the frame. I'm going to be picking up a neutral vertical, a horizontal vertical, and I think that's it. I was going to pick up a few other things, but after kind of seeing some more photos, I've decided that those two should be good enough. I may get a colorful still just to have for videos, but I'm not totally sure yet. So up top on that appointment label, I did also write in emails and reships as well as trash. And then down at the bottom of my day, I stuck in a flag. This is from one of our $2 Tuesdays, and I just put in one of these upload stickers. That is from SamanthaMaeSticks, as well as that grocery shopping sticker down at the bottom. Both of those are from her shop. I've had those for a while. I'm not completely positive that she still has those, but I think that she should. Moving over to Tuesday, I went ahead and stuck down a label and wrote in $2 Tuesday. Mom comes back on Wednesday, so we are going to go ahead with a big Hobo Weeks release for $2 Tuesday. So I can't do the kits for $2. I'm going to have the kits for $2.50, and it's going to be all of the kits that we've had with the exception of the watercolor kits that got released this past week. And then what I'm going to do is create that add-on sheet for all of those kits, and that will be available as well. And then for $2 Tuesday, we will have a bunch of Hobo functional items. I've got boxes, I've got checklist, bow checklist, just quite a few different things. So it's going to be a pretty big release. I'm going to have to keep an eye on it. I may have to up processing times, but I wanted to do it, so we're going to go ahead and do it. If you guys have anything you'd like to see for that, leave me a comment down below. I will have this video up pretty early and still be designing some of those items so I could add on. So underneath that, I ended up cutting down a checklist, put in a to-do header, and by the way, her headers are so cute. And I just wrote in listings, newsletter, and lives. All of that is for $2 Tuesday. Down at the bottom of my day, I put in a Plan With Me sticker, also from SamanthaMaeSticks, and then an appointment label with a couple of wine glasses, and I went ahead and wrote in Girls Night. But I hated how that looked, so I ripped that back up and I went ahead and tried to redo it. I am still working on my like writing / hand lettering, whatever you want to call it. And I do like it better than I liked it before, but I feel like it's definitely something that I still need to work on. So moving over to Wednesday, down at the bottom of the day, I put in this laundry sticker, also from SamanthaMaeSticks. This flag is from one of our past $2 Tuesdays, and then I put in a TV icon. All of these foiled icons you see me using are from this Chasing Chels kit. And I went ahead and wrote in the act. I am now 2 episodes behind. I was caught up, but there should be, well, by Wednesday, I will be 2 episodes behind. So I'm hoping that maybe I can take some time to binge watch. I'm really enjoying it. If you guys haven't watched that yet and you like true crime, definitely check that out. So up at the top, I went ahead and stuck down another sticker that says Design Day. I got a lot of stuff that I need to work on for designing, and I'm not sure. It's a possibility that we're going to skip new releases this week so that I can kind of get together a larger release for next week, but I'll see what I'm able to get through. A lot of that's going to depend on $2 Tuesday. And then I went ahead and stuck in a appointment label for Mom coming home and then just wrote mass print underneath that. Flipping over to the second half of the week, I want to go ahead and do the exact same thing that I did on the first side. So if you guys watch some of my older Plan With Me's, you know that I always had issues lining everything up and getting everything the correct way as far as the full boxes and the glitter headers. This is the way that I do it now so that I make sure that everything is exactly where I want it. I'm actually really excited for the new planners not having these stupid like dashed boxes. You guys know I don't like those, and I really like the idea of having just a small thin line because I feel like you could really move stuff around however you wanted it, and you don't really have to go in this almost like 3 category section. I'm sure some people really enjoy that, having that section, but I feel like with the new planners you could really just make it however you wanted it to be, with the exception of the rounded corner up top, but I still don't think that's going to be an issue either. So I'm really excited to play with those. Anyway, I did all of my overlays for my headers and my full boxes, and now I'm going to do another checklist, test prints, photos, and listings, as well as sticking in a film sticker on Thursday, and then I kind of start skipping around. So for the weekend, I wanted to go ahead and put down her weekend banner. I don't use weekend banners often. I don't need something to remind me that it's the weekend, but hers is so pretty, and it has these bows, and I wanted to just go ahead and use it, so I stuck that down. On Friday, I went ahead and put in a box up top and wrote in new releases. Like I said, that might change. I do also need to get a May calendar made and put up on the website as well as in the Facebook group and Instagram. I just haven't had time yet. And then moving back over to Thursday, I want to go ahead and write in draft newsletter in an appointment label. And I went ahead and used, I've been using icons throughout this entire plan with me. And all of the ones with the exception of the trash one that I used on Monday are from Chels. And they were included with this kit. They were just a separate sheet. So underneath that, I went ahead and did a scallops label and put in mass print. And then moving over to Friday, I believe this is where my camera died and a little bit of this footage was lost, but I used an Instagram post sticker up top that is from SamanthaMaeSticks. And then at the bottom of Friday, I went ahead and stuck in another Girls Night sticker and then mass print underneath that. The bow used on Girls Night is from our shop. That was a $2 Tuesday item. Moving over to Saturday, I am going to go ahead and write in groceries plus Target. The way that I'm going to be eating includes a ton of fresh fruit and vegetables, so I don't like to buy a bunch of it at once. I like to kind of do a little bit at a time so that nothing is going bad. So I'm probably going to be purchasing groceries twice in a week, which sounds ridiculous, but there is a Publix really close to my house now, so I don't think that that's going to be too much of a problem. Also on Saturday, another laundry sticker that is from SamanthaMaeSticks, and then down at the bottom, the appointment label, I just wrote in declutter. And then for Sunday, deep clean, and then I'm going to do an appointment label with a script that says film. Also every single script that I use is from SamanthaMaeSticks. I really like them, and I've got these, and I've had them for so long, and I just feel like I've never really used them, but I really like how they look in spreads, so I'm going to try to use them a little bit more. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that she should still have these available in her shop because I'm pretty sure they're her hand lettering. So I will go ahead and link her down below. I will also link Chasing Chels down below. I've had this kit for a minute. I'm not sure if she'll still have it, but she has some very cute kits, so I will link them both. But yeah, this is the finished spread. I really love how this turned out. I've been liking this new style of planning. I went and cut the lights off so that you guys could hopefully see the foil. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.